Hunt Elementary is partnering with families to unplug and play at home. Research shows that play is essential to development because it positively contributes to the cognitive, physical, social, and emotional well-being of children. We want to showcase how you unplug and play at home. Some ideas are family dinners, car rides, game nights, picnics, dance parties, doing a puzzle, camping, cooking. We are also encouraging our students to unplug and play during all indoor recesses. We want our Hunt Huskies to be the best students